Let's see how to record video on iPad for YouTube. In the first step, open Settings and tap on Camera. Then go to Formats and tap it. Then pick High Efficiency or Most Compatible. In the next step, launch Camera app. Now switch to video mode. Now set resolution and frame rate. Then turn on grid for better alignment. In the next step, tap the red button to start recording. After that, keep the iPad steady or use a stand. Next, tap to focus and change brightness. Next, use volume button for easy recording. In the next step, go to Photos app. Later, select your video file, then tap on Edit option. Now, cut and apply filters. In the next step, open YouTube application. Next, tap the plus button, then select video for upload. Now, pick the file and follow steps. You are good to go.